Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley from Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 2 of my WealthSimple Trade Challenge. Right now, our portfolio is up about $107 at 4.5% all time. So as we scroll down here, I'll let you know what I'm doing this week. So first off, I'm going to be selling off XEI. All 5 shares of this. Basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just selling them off and then going to be adding to 2 main dividend ETFs. So I'm just downsizing. So complete that. Perfect. So we have $221 currently to trade, which should update to 326. Perfect. And this week we will be buying first off VFV. I'm going to be doing 2 shares of that in my TFSA. Perfect. Awesome. And next up, what we'll be doing is buying RBC. Perfect. 1 share of RBC. Awesome. And lastly, we have about $41 left. We're going to be buying some VRE. So this is a Vanguard capped REIT fund. So probably only be able to afford 1 share of that. Confirm. Perfect. Okay. So basically this week we're just increasing our positions in VFV, which is a S&P 500 index. Even though the US market is down, I want to take advantage of this and buy at a lower price, dollar cost averaging. Next thing, RBC, just a little bit up, but that's fine by me. And then last but not least, just a quick share of VRE. So that's my stock picks for the week, and bringing our portfolio to about $2,491. So thanks for watching. If you click the link in the description, if you deposit $100 to WealthSimple, then you will get a $10 bonus, and I'll get a little bit of a return too. But apart from that, we'll be doing updates about every 2 weeks. Thanks for tuning in, and talk to you soon.